Hi everyone, welcome to our Modelo plugin tutorial. This comprehensive tutorial will provide you with detailed guidance on how to utilize this powerful plugin for designing in software like SketchUp, Rhino, and Revit. Once the plugin is successfully installed, you will effortlessly be able to access it within the software and leverage its extensive features to enhance your design workflow. Our aim is to assist you in fully understanding the functionality of the plugin, enabling you to design more efficiently and achieve outstanding results. If you have any questions at any point, please feel free to drop a comment below or email us at hi@modelo.io. So let's get started together.
If you haven't downloaded our plugin yet, please click the link below. It contains installation packages for all 3 software programs, along with installation tutorials. We provide convenient buttons or shortcut commands in all 3 software programs. In SketchUp, the toolbar will automatically appear upon opening. If you accidentally close it, go to the View menu, select Toolbar, and enable the plugin's toolbar. In Rhino, use the Modelo AI shortcut command to access the AI Vision feature. Alternatively, you can set up a shortcut button by going to Options in the Tools menu, selecting Toolbars, enabling Modelo plugin, and checking the Modelo box. In Revit, simply locate the Modelo option in the toolbar and click on it to begin using our AI Vision functionality. Great! Now everyone knows how to access our AI Vision feature. Let me provide a brief overview of how to use it. To begin, adjust the model to your desired angle in the software. Then, open the AI Vision feature and the plugin will automatically capture a screenshot of the current model view. If you're not satisfied with the current perspective, just readjust the perspective within the software and click on Update View in the top right corner to reload the screenshot. Once the screenshot is loaded, you can add our reference image or choose from our preset styles in the bottom left corner here. If you don't have a reference image at hand, you can use one of our sample images. It is important to note that to create a better image, you would be advised to choose photos that match the structure of your current model the most. Once you're done with the reference image, you can immediately start generating. However, to optimize the results, you can add specific prompts here either by freehand or choosing to write from the prompt library, which contains commonly used words and phrases. By being more specific in what kind of image you want to produce, you increase the chances of generating amazingly beautiful images. You can ensure a closer fit to your model's form or more freely generated output by choosing between creative and original options in parameter settings here.
After setting everything up, click on the Generate button. The images will then be generated in a batch of 4. For each of these photos, you can increase the resolution and download it. If you're not satisfied with what was generated, you can click on this plus sign here to generate more. If you're not satisfied with the results and wish to modify your settings, please click on Cancel to make changes to the style or prompt. All generated photos will be temporarily stored in My Vision in the bottom right corner. Please note that when you close the AI Vision feature, your previous generated history will be completely erased. Therefore, it is recommended to download your favorite generated images before closing the feature. If you wish to save all your generated records, it is recommended that you upload your models to our Modelo website and use the AI mode there for generating. All generated photos will be stored in your model assets on the website. Don't let your mood board just sit there. Realize your visions by using Modelo 2.0's Vision feature. Try it out, and if at any point you're confused, angry, happy, sad about our new changes, we welcome your feedback. The question mark at the bottom of the model page leads to this tutorial, and if you want to contact us, you can go to the contact button there. If those methods don't work for you, just drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We're here to answer any questions you may have, and don't forget to check out the rest of our videos to learn more about our new functions in Modelo 2.0. Your feedback will be crucial in shaping the future of Modelo, and we can't wait to hear from you. So see you guys in the next videos.